Welcome to the channel and welcome to 2025. Today we are diving into a detailed review of the latest Mahindra car that is making waves across the automotive world. Stay with me till the end because I am going to take you through everything at the exterior design, the interior experience, the performance under the hood, and of course, the pricing that might just surprise you. Starting with the exterior, Mahindra has really stepped up their game in 2025. The new model showcases a bold and futuristic design language. It features a wider, more aggressive front grille, beautifully integrated LED headlamps, and a sharply sculpted bumper that gives it a powerful presence on the road. The proportions of the car are extremely well balanced. You get a strong shoulder line running across the body, muscular wheel arches, and stylish diamond-cut alloy wheels that add to the sporty look. Around the back, Mahindra has kept the theme alive with sleek tail lamps connected by a light bar, a slightly raked rear windshield, and a sporty rear spoiler. The dual-tone paint options and new color choices like deep space black, royal red, and ice blue really make the car pop. It's not just a car you drive, it's a car you arrive in, and people notice. Moving to the interior, Mahindra has really understood the demands of the modern driver. As soon as you step inside, you are welcomed by a spacious and airy cabin. The dashboard is dominated by a large, seamless touchscreen that flows beautifully into the digital instrument cluster. Everything feels premium made from the soft-touch materials on the dash of the leather-wrapped steering wheel and seats. The ambient lighting sets the mood perfectly, especially for those late-night drives. Space-wise, it's impressive. Both front and rear seats offer great legroom and headroom, and the seats themselves are well cushioned and supportive, perfect for long journeys. In terms of features, Mahindra has packed it with everything you can ask for: a wireless charging, ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, premium sound system, connected car technology, and even ADAS features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking. Every touchpoint feels thoughtfully designed. It's clear Mahindra wants you to feel like you're sitting in a luxury lounge on wheels. Now coming to performance, Mahindra gives you options that suit every kind of driver. For those looking for traditional power, there's a turbo petrol engine that delivers punchy acceleration and smooth power delivery. It's mated to either a manual or a smooth shifting automatic gearbox. For those who prefer greener choices, Mahindra offers a hybrid version that combines fuel efficiency with decent performance. And if you are all about the future, there's also an all-electric variant with an impressive range of over 450 kilometers on a single charge. The ride quality is plush, soaking up bumps effortlessly, and the handling is surprisingly nimble for a car of this size. The steering feels light in the city and gains weight at higher speeds, inspiring confidence on highways. Braking performance is solid with all 4 disc brakes, and the regenerative braking system in the EV model is tuned well, making it easy to adapt to. Finally, let's talk about pricing. Mahindra has always been known for offering incredible value, and this car is no exception. The petrol variants start around 12 lakh rupees, moving up to about 18 lakh for the top-end model loaded with all the bells and whistles. The hybrid options are priced slightly higher, starting around 15 lakh rupees, and the fully electric version, considering its range and features, comes in at an attractive price of around 20 to 22 lakh rupees. Considering everything you are getting out of tech, the design, the comfort, and the performance, it feels like a solid deal in 2025's highly competitive market. So that was a complete look at the brand new Mahindra for 2025. From the bold exterior to the luxurious interior, from the dynamic performance to the smart pricing strategy, Mahindra has shown that they are not just competing, they are setting new benchmarks. If you are looking for a new car this year, I strongly recommend checking this one out in person. Let me know in the comments what you think about this Mahindra. Would you consider buying it, or are you waiting for something else? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews, news, and all things automotive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Would you also like me to give you a second version that's a bit more energetic?